Hi, I'm Lucas Lenarduzzi, Service Manager at Overseas Motors Mercedes-Benz, and today I'm here to talk to you about prepaid maintenance. Welcome to Overseas Motors Mercedes-Benz. Taking care of your vehicle is our utmost priority, and we know that saving money is important to you as well. We offer several services to our customers, from parts and service to routine maintenance. But if there was a way that you could guarantee a better price for yourself, wouldn't you take it? We offer the Mercedes-Benz prepaid maintenance options, both in the standard form and select. These two services allow you to pay a low monthly fee in order to maintain routine maintenance of your vehicle as well as other discounts on parts. Which one is best for you? Well, that's simple. If you've just purchased a vehicle but have not had its first scheduled routine maintenance inspection, then Mercedes-Benz Prepaid Maintenance is your option. Plans for this one begin with as little as $15 a month. You can also save up to 30% compared to a pay-as-you-go mindset. Also, this program is easily transferable from one owner to the next when going through a certified Mercedes-Benz dealership. On the other hand, for models from 2010 or newer, if you have had your first scheduled maintenance inspection on your vehicle or it has exceeded 25,000 kilometers, you are eligible for the Prepaid Maintenance Select Program. Like the standard one, the Select has low monthly payments. Additionally, both can have a lump sum payment or a monthly payment, whichever works better for you. With Select, you can save up to 48% than you would using the pay-as-you-go method. Also, like Prepaid Maintenance, Prepaid Maintenance Select allows you to go to any certified Mercedes-Benz dealer and have your vehicle serviced anywhere in Canada. Even better, you have 24-hour roadside assistance for when the uninspected happens. If you have any questions, visit our website, mercedes-benzoverseasmotors.ca, or you can come to our dealership where we will step you through the sign-up program. Thank you very much and drive safely, everyone.